Welcome to Geography 2050, the future of the world ocean. I'm Jerry Dobson, President Emeritus of the American Geographical Society. I want to talk with you today about the American Geographical Society's long history of involvement in oceans, ocean science, and oceanography. The word oceanography did not exist until 1859. We were formed in 1851. And from 1854 to 1869, AGS was a world leader in what was called then the physical geography of the seas. AGS counselors themselves were instrumental in studying the oceans, shaping ocean science, and formulating oceanography. Let me illustrate with a 15-year vignette of the American Geographical Society focusing on the officers and council. This is a period leading up to the completion of the transatlantic telegraph cable, which we were heavily involved in. We had on our council Cyrus W. Field, who was the developer of the cable, the transatlantic cable. We had Matthew Fontaine Maury, who was the greatest oceanographer of his day, often referred later as the father of oceanography. There are others who have been given that name, but he was the earliest and had the strongest claim on it. He wrote a book called The Physical Geography of the Sea while he was on our council in 1855, and his specialty, his purpose in his role in the transatlantic telegraph cable was to show Field where to place it so that it wouldn't break frequently. And we had Samuel F. B. Morse, the inventor of the telegraph. Those three men conspired on our council to help produce the plans and eventual implementation of the transatlantic telegraph cable. If you look at a typical website in oceanography today and look at the components, you will see geography listed prominently. Conversely, if you look at a geography website, the oceans will be listed as one of the many places we study on Earth. Moscow State University has 15 geography departments within the Faculty of Geography. One of them is oceanography, called Oceanology there to this day. Look around the world and you'll only find a few department schools or colleges that combine geography and oceanography. Two of them are in Great Britain, one in Australia, and one in the United States. Later in the symposium, you will meet Don Wright, who used to be on the faculty at Oregon State University. AGS is still advancing the physical and human geography of the seas. We had a special issue on Oceans Connect back in 1999. We've had several articles since that are notable. We still honor oceanographers, ocean explorers, ocean scientists. The highest honor we grant is to allow explorers to sign our flyers and explorers globe. You'll find names like Louise Boyd, who used sonar, one of the earliest attempts to map the ocean floor, the sounds on both sides of Greenland. William Beebe, who set the depth record. Don Walsh, who set the depth record. And Sylvia Earle, noted ocean explorer today. Our Cullum Geographical Medal has gone to 4 oceanographers, ocean scientists in the past, and will be given to another, me, later in this gathering. The George Davidson Medal focuses on the Pacific Ocean, and it's been given to 2 geographers in the past and will be at this meeting given to Don Wright, geographer and oceanographer. In an article in 2014, I described Dawn as geographer and oceanographer, chief scientist of ESRI, and that she personifies the type of collaboration that will be needed between geography and oceanography. I will add today, so does AGS. Always has, always will.